with some live footage. This is just after I was showing you the river. I turned around, turned my phone off, went to walk up the steps, and I'm in a little storm here. They say we're supposed to get a really bad storm later this evening, but you know how that goes. They can't predict shit. So I'm gonna go on the other side of the road, get me some protection from said rain. This is my walk today, people. Not like I normally walk, huh? Dude, this is tripping me out. Check it out. Can I do that? Oh, I take pictures. Oh. See, too bad I can't turn my camera around. But, yeah. Hey. That's great, dude. See, I don't worry about rain, except that it's toxic now. I mean, that's basically all we gotta worry about. But if it rains too much, I got shit in me, so I'm gonna float if anything happens. So, I'm just saying. Oh, yeah, lovely weather. Beautiful, beautiful people. All right, I'll let you go. Peace.